Hello students, I'm Sir Topher. Welcome to HRS Online Distance Learning. Today we are going to talk about statistics, specifically the concept of measures of central tendency, also known as the measure of averages. As you know, information is all around us. The number of hours we spend studying, price for certain goods, amount of money an average citizen earns, or the weight of your pet are all numbers that are important in everyday life. But maybe you're asking, how can we take lots of this information, such as the amount a citizen earn, and make it meaningful? This is where statistics can help you. Various real-life situations deal with collection, processing, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data in order for us to make sound decisions. And all these stages are embedded in the study of statistics. Also take note that statistics has two branches. Those are descriptive and inferential statistics. Again, what are the two branches of statistics? Very good! Descriptive and inferential. Descriptive statistics consist of methods concerned with collecting, organizing, summarizing, and presenting a set of data so as to yield meaningful information. Meanwhile, inferential statistics comprises those methods concerned with making predictions or inferences. This may come in the form of estimation, correlation, or regression. But don't worry, for this lesson, I'm only going to discuss the concept on descriptive statistics, which is the measure of central tendency or centrality. It involves mean, median, and mode. Again, what are the three measures of central tendency? Can you comment it down below? That's correct. Mean, median, and mode. Each are useful and easy to understand the dataset that we are studying. Now, let's learn with each property and find out how to calculate them. Let's start with the mean. Mean is represented by the symbol x bar. Mean is commonly referred as the arithmetic average. It is often used in research, academics, and sports. When you watch a basketball game and you see the player's point per game, that number represents the total score divided by the number of games an athlete played. In school, final grades per subject is usually a mean. In short, when solving for the mean of ungrouped data, we simply add all the scores and then dividing it by the number of cases. As an example, say Juan wishes to know his average grade in math. If his first to fourth quarter grades are 92, 94, 97, and 97, then to get the average grade, we will add up those grades from first to fourth quarter and then dividing it by 4. That would be the same as x bar, or the mean would be equal to 92 plus 94 plus 97 plus 97 over 4. The numerator will add up to 380, then dividing it by 4, that would give us a value of 95. Now, try this. Suppose the following are the amount of money Pedro saved for 7 days. On Monday, he saved 20 pesos, Tuesday 30, Wednesday 35, Thursday 25, Friday 40, Saturday 10, Sunday 15. How much is the average daily savings of Pedro? You have 15 seconds to answer. Now, if your answer is 25, that's correct. So we will add up 20 plus 30 plus 35 plus 25 plus 40 plus 10 plus 15, and then dividing all of these numbers by 7 will give us a value of 25. After knowing what is the mean, let us now go to the median. Median represents the middle value of a set of data when arranged in either decreasing or increasing order. Say for example, the Jesus family has 5 children, aged 9, 12, 7, 5, and 13 years. What is the age of the middle child? So in this case, we first need to arrange the ages in decreasing or increasing order. If it is be written in decreasing order, we would begin with 13, 12, 9, 7, and 5. Following increasing order, that would be 5, followed by 7, 9, 12, and 13. Next, select the middle number, that is 9. In this case, the middle child is 9 years old. 9 also represents the median in a data set. As you can see, given limited sample of data, the median of ungrouped distribution can easily be identified. But in cases where a lot of numbers are given, then here we can now use a formula. For add number of data, we can use n plus 1 all over 2. If you would take the example earlier, we'll have 5, 7, 9, 12, 13. There are 5 cases or 5 numbers. So n there would be 5. Substituting in the formula would be 5 plus 1 all over 2. And you know that 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2. The value would become 3. 3 is not the median, but rather the position of the median number. So in which case, the third number. When arranged in increasing order or decreasing order, the third number would be 9. Now in cases, if there is no middle number, just like when you are given an even number of data, here we will get the two middle scores and then its average. For example, you are given the data set that contains the numbers 10, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 1. The number of cases is even. There are 6 numbers in the data set. Arranging them in increasing order would give us 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now in this case, there is no middle value. So according to our rule, we need to get the two middle numbers. In which case, those are 7 and 8. After getting the two middle numbers, we need to get its average. So adding 7 and 8 would give us 15. Then dividing it by 2 would give us a median value of 7.5. Now try this. Sir Chris asks his students to queue up according to their height. If Mark's height is 5 feet, Kevin 5 feet 2 inches, Nathaniel 4 feet 8 inches, Lance 5 feet 6 inches, and Humphrey 5 feet 4 inches, who should be in the middle? You have 10 seconds to answer. I think you're right. The one that is in the middle will be Kevin. If we are going to arrange the height of the students from the smallest going to the tallest, that would be 4 feet 8 inches, 5 feet, 5 feet 2 inches, 5 feet 4 inches, and 5 feet 6 inches. In which case, the middle height is 5 feet 2 inches, and that is Kevin. After knowing the mean and the median, let us now go to the mode. Mode is a term assigned to the most frequent occurring value in a data set. Most of the time, mode is used to give a quick response. And unlike the other measures of central tendency, it doesn't use a formula. Mode can be identified by a simple observation. The number that appears most is the mode. Say you were asked by your mother, what bill do you have the most in your wallet? Obviously, what you will do is to look into your wallet, count how many times a bill occurred, then tell it to your mother. Say for example, if you have 4 20 peso bills, 2 50 peso bills, 1 100 peso bill, then the 20 peso bill appeared the most, in which case 20 will be your mode. If there is only one mode, we call that as unimodal. Another scenario may be you have 3 20 peso bills, 3 50 peso bills, 1 100 peso bill, 2 500 peso bills. So here, since 20 peso bill and 50 peso bill appeared both 3 times, hence, we have 2 modes, in which case, those are 20 and 50. We call that as bimodal. There's also a possibility that you have only one 20 peso bill and one 50 peso bill, right? Since both bills appear the same, then there is no item greater than the other. And in that case, there is no mode. To summarize, there are classifications of mode. If there is no number that appeared greater than the other, then there is no mode. If there's only one number appeared most, we call that as unimodal. 2 numbers appeared most of the time, we call that as bimodal. 3 or more numbers appeared compared to the other, then we call that as multimodal. Now try this. Suppose your family has a clothing business. After you monitor the sales in a day, you find out that 5 extra small shirts were sold along with 10 small shirts, 15 medium shirts, 2 large shirts, and 7 extra large shirts. Your father then asks you, what shirt size were sold the most and how many? You have 10 seconds to answer. Correct! It's medium with 15 sales. Now to summarize the measures of central tendency, we have the mean. Mean is the average. You get the sum of all the scores dividing by the total number of cases, then you get the mean. For the median, that is the middle score. Arrange all the scores in ascending or descending order, and for odd number of cases, there is only one median. For even number of cases, you need to get the average of the 2 middle scores. Now for the mode, it is the most frequent occurring value. You can get the mode by a simple observation. When there is no score that appears most in comparison with the other number, then there is no mode. If there is an exact one mode, that is a unimodal distribution. For 2 modes, bimodal. 3 or 4 modes, multimodal. Of course, to test whether you really understand the lesson or not, I prepared a 5-item test. So what you need to do is to simply write in the comment section the letter of your answer, and once you get the 5 items correctly, then a certificate will appear. Let's start. Question number 1. This discipline of applied mathematics deals with collecting, analyzing, and interpreting masses of data for the purpose of making decision. I repeat, this discipline in applied mathematics deals with collecting, analyzing, interpreting masses of data for the purpose of decision making. Letter A, statistics. Letter B, algebra. Letter C, trigonometry. Or letter D, geometry. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer here is, it's letter A, statistics. Question number 2. What branch of statistics is considered as the first part of statistical analysis? This deals with collection and presentation of data. Letter A, mean. Letter B, median. Letter C, descriptive statistics. Or letter D, inferential statistics. 10 seconds. The correct answer is letter C. It's descriptive statistics. Question number 3. A sales officer wants to know the most frequent bought shoe size in his store. Which measure of central tendency is most suitable? Letter A, mode. Letter B, median. Letter C, mean. Or letter D, average. I repeat, a sales officer wants to know the most frequent bought shoe size in his store. Which measure of central tendency is most suitable? Letter A, mode. Letter B, median. Letter C, mean. Or letter D, average. 10 seconds. Correct. It's letter A. Question number 4. Find the median of the following scores: 8, 9, 7, 11, 10, 5, and 4. Again, find the median of the following scores: 8, 9, 7, 11, 10, 5, 4. Letter A, 11. Letter B, 8. Letter C, 7. Or letter D, 9. Your 10 seconds starts now. Now if your answer is letter B, then that's correct. It's 8. Remember, you need to arrange first the set in decreasing or increasing order, and that's where you can find the median. Since there is an odd set of data, there is exactly one median, and that is 8. Last question. Question number 5. A survey was made among the 5 students in grade 10 Dalton regarding their time spent in studying math. If the teacher wants to know the average time students spend studying, what measure of central tendency would best describe this, and what is the average time they study? Again, a survey was made among 5 students in grade 10 Dalton regarding their time spent in studying math. If the teacher wants to know the average time students spend studying, what measure of central tendency would best describe this? And what is the average time they study? Given the scores in ours, 5, 3, 2, 4, and 3. Letter A, median, 3 hours. Letter B, mean, 3 hours. Letter C, median, 3.4 hours. Or letter D, mean, 3.4 hours. You have 20 seconds for this item. If your answer is letter D, mean 3.4 hours, that's correct. For those who attended our online learning today, I hope you enjoy. You may download your certificates in the comment section below. Thank you for spending time with me, and I hope to see you in class. God bless.